Hello everyone, welcome today on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, April the 19th, 2023, and it's a war day number 420. 420 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Yes. Three regular puzzles we have here: the binary, the medium, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. But in this newspaper, we have also an additional. Let me show you the additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles I will do in the evening. We have here the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. In the evening I will do half of them, 4 of them. Well, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright guys, we'll start with this one. Number 6298, a binary puzzle. Yes, 6298. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 39 printed digits, a lot. Yeah. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? This one, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Oh, here 1, there 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O, between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Alright. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Oh, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 4 minutes. Wow. 4 minutes. 4 minutes 20, 26. Yeah. Well, without comparing. Well, without comparing with 39 printed digits, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. you can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, a medium Sudoku. Yeah, until then, bye bye for now.